It's game day and your tailgate just got a whole lot more fun with these mini hot dogs. These are the perfect party appetizer. Starts with some mini slider rolls and you can just leave them all connected. I'm gonna run my knife vertically down each row of rolls. And of course, like a hot dog bun, you don't wanna slice all the way through so they stay connected. See what I mean? Why have I never thought of this before? When it comes to the hot dog, you wanna find kind of the longest one you can. So you'll wanna find hot dogs that say bun length. Otherwise, you can just find the shorter ones and cut them in half. Let's fire up the grill. Who doesn't love a good hot dog on a game day?
Woo! Smelling good over here.
Hot dog.
Come on back and get some. What you wanna do is cut your hot dogs the same size as your roll. So for me, I'm just gonna cut these into thirds. Then you just take each little hot dog and put it right into those cut slits. Look how cute this is. And I love this because I like different toppings at different times. So this way you can try like a few different hot dogs. You could make several trays of these and stack them up on top of each other and just carry them to the tailgate just like that. Now you just pull them apart and top them how you like. I mean, how cute is that, for real? I just made like 24 hot dogs in a matter of minutes. You can just look at these and feel the party coming on, so now it's time to have fun with it. You gotta have the classic all-American, just mustard and ketchup. That's the one all the kids are gonna come for. And you really can't have a hot dog party without a chili dog. And then top with a little jalapeno. I'll save my favorite game day dog for the end, but I sure do love a slaw dog. My child will insist upon a ketchup only. A little chili, some onions, and why not throw in some Fritos. But this, my friends, is a stadium dog. Mustard, ketchup, and kraut. It's a touchdown, y'all. I love this size because I can have multiple hot dogs with different flavor combinations. And I love the sweet roll with that salty hot dog. It's the perfect combination. You'll have the most popular tailgate with these mini dogs. All right, y'all, come grab some. I'm Sharon.
Thank you so
Go
much.
team.
Hot dogs,
I mean, how
Team
cute are they?
Hawaiian.
It's game day and your tailgate just got a whole lot more fun with these hot dog sliders. What am I calling them?